Hello students, after your summer break I am again up with some new dishes, and today I am going to teach you how to make pizza pocket out of bread. For that you require some bread slices, few chopped vegetables of your choice and grated mozzarella cheese and some batter prepared from the refined flour. So let's start it. So I'm putting all the vegetables together. You can have mushrooms, sweet corns and all the vegetables you love in this. Now add some few herbs in this. I am adding oregano herb in this, like around a spoon. Then I am adding some mixed spices with salt and all. You can have more black pepper also to this. Now what I have done with the bread slice, I have removed all the bread pieces part. I have flattened these bread slices. I am just going to show you how to flatten these bread slices. You have to remove the brown crust part of the bread and simply roll it with the help of rolling pin, and make sure that you are using a very fresh bread so that it easily flattens and it does not break. So you can keep all your bread pieces prepared like this. I have taken some 10 of these, and now I'm going to put some vegetables and cheese into this. You have to simply have some vegetable, not too much of vegetable you are going to use, only little bit amount, and then you are going to use some cheese also. Cheese you can put accordingly. And now you are going to simply fold this part and have a little pressure of your fingers on this so that this bread gets stick to the layer, and you can even seal these edges with the help of this fork by pressing it properly. And see, this is ready. Prepare your all the pockets like this only. Of this refined flour maida with water. I've added some salt to this and oregano bean. Then I'm going to dip this pocket into this and I'm going to fry it. I have already preheated oil in a pan, and now I'm just going to add. You can have one or two pieces at a time, because the pieces are quite big. I'm again adding. While frying, you have to be very careful. If you are unable to flip it, simply you can flip it like this way. Use these for your pizza pockets and fry them till they are golden brown. they have been prepared. Now I am going to cut them from the center, and you can see how the cheese has beautifully melted into it. So the pizza pockets are ready, but be careful while deep frying them.